report. It's your time to shine. And
so several things. One of the things we have observed for the first time since we started doing assessments many years ago is that there is an improvement in literacy. There is improvement from 4 out of 10 learners being able to achieve to now 5 out of 10 learners. And that may seem small, but it's big given that over the years there was no movement and now there is that improvement. We still have a challenge with numeracy, and we think that that is a big challenge given that there is a very deliberate effort by the government of Kenya to position the country towards STEM education. That gives us a challenge to see what we do to address numeracy challenges at the foundation, because that will determine whether we can move the country towards being a STEM education country. So I think that that is important to highlight.